In this video, we're going over how you can go ahead and get back into Roblox because currently it is down. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. But if your Roblox currently is giving you some sort of error message saying that it is currently down, here's how you can go ahead and get back into the game. First things first, fully close out of Roblox, and then the first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually search up Task Manager on your PC if you are on your PC. If you're on a mobile device, just simply swipe out of the game and search up Roblox up at the top. If anything pops up within here, go ahead and select it and then hit End Task. Obviously, it's not in here, so I'm good to go. From here, go ahead and try loading into Roblox again. If it doesn't work and it doesn't load you in, do not worry. There is still more stuff that we can do. The next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is go down to the search button and just type in add or remove programs and hit enter. From here, go ahead and search this app section once again and type in Roblox. And what you're going to want to do is find the Roblox player and tap on these three dots right here. From here, go ahead and hit this uninstall button and then confirm it again by hitting uninstall one more time. After that, go on to a web browser of your choice and just type in Roblox download just like so and hit enter, and then go to the first page and re-download Windows and then re-sign back in. From here, your Roblox should be back up and running. If it still isn't, let me know down in the comments below and I can help you out further. But I'm going to wrap this video up here. If it did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.